Hey guys, King of Herbs here. So what are the best times or what are the best practices when drinking water? Number one, drink 2 glasses of water the first thing in the morning. And why is this so? Because when you drink water the first thing in the morning, it helps clear your gut of the previous day's food, which will ensure now that your gut is ready for breakfast to increase absorption. Number two, drink 2 glasses of water in the mid-morning. In the period between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m., ensure that you drink 2 glasses of water. This is going to help with the digestion of the breakfast meal that was taken sometime earlier. Number three, drink 2 glasses of water in the afternoon. That means 1 hour after taking lunch. And why is this so? This will ensure that the meal taken during lunch is digested properly and absorbed properly. Number four, drink 2 glasses of water. That means after you've taken supper. This shall ensure that the digestion of the food taken during supper happens correctly. And in fact, water should be the first thing that you take in the morning and the last thing that you take in the evening. So this is just for the normal person who is not a gym enthusiast or a physical fitness enthusiast. But if you are that, this program may change according to your needs. You may need to drink water, 2 glasses of water before you work out, or even 2 glasses of water after you work out. But all in all, following this practice will ensure that you drink at least 8 glasses to 12 glasses of water a day, which is the daily recommended water intake. Caution, do not drink water when taking meals. Why is this so? This will result in the dilution of digestive enzymes, and this will make digestion not to happen correctly and completely. So do not take water when taking meals. Take water before taking meals. Take water 30 minutes after taking meals. That is it from the King of Herbs. As usual, rooting for health. Remember to follow, give a like, share, subscribe, or whatever situation you find yourselves in. As usual, rooting for health.